Hi there, I'm Michael McKenzie. This tutorial will show you how to create a video in Adobe Express, which is a cloud-based web tool for editing photos, videos, and much more. Teachers can benefit from this tool by creating engaging tutorial videos and instructional materials, while students can create riveting projects or presentations. Adobe Express is currently free for K-12 schools. After creating a free account, users can choose from multiple editing features. The editor that we will choose is Video. There are pre-made video suggestions which are different depending on the aspect ratio and templates. There is also an option to edit from a pre-made video. Users can also choose from quick editing options that will merge, crop, and convert videos. We will choose a scratched YouTube video for this tutorial and learn how to add text, images, audio, and narration. The website displays a timeline across the bottom with separate scenes, which you can compare to a timed slide presentation. Each slide will show for a specific amount of time in the final product. The navigation bar on the left-hand side has all the elements that we need to add for our video. The first thing that we will add is a title to our project. I can either add a text box onto the page or I can add a pre-made design. I will add a text box. Users can be creative with their text by adding effects or animation. AI is also built into the program so users can choose fun effects. After adding my text, I like to look through elements to see what background I'd like to add. Once you add your element, make sure that it fits your page properly. And then make sure that you can see your text by right-clicking and then sending the back or sending backwards. My text also has to change color in order to see it on that dark background. So I'm going to change the color of my text, and I'm also going to change the color of the actual background by clicking the background and background color. The next thing you'll do is add a scene. Choose text, graphic, or video. Adobe Express has millions of photos, videos, and audio clips to add to your design. It also has the power of AI to create a photo, graphic, or art from a text description. I can add a graphic to the slide by clicking Elements and then searching, or I can add a photo by clicking Media and then searching in Photos. I wanted to add an image of social media, so I'll search for that in Photos. After completing the scenes, you can add audio by simply clicking Media and then choosing Audio. Adobe Express allows users to preview songs before adding them to their video. To add audio, you simply click it and it'll add it to the bottom of your timeline. If you wanted to change the length of it, you just click the slide on the side and change it. Or you can also change the volume by clicking the slide up top on the left. I recommend keeping your audio less than 20% so you can hear your narration. Lastly, you can add a voiceover narration by clicking Media and then Audio, and then go to Record Voiceover. Narration will embed directly into the video, allowing you to know what to talk about and when to say it. It is recommended to write a script and practice, then re-record when necessary. Adobe Express is a free tool that is fun and includes an array of editing capabilities. Once you are done, you can simply download as an MP4 and then upload to YouTube.